In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell goblet squat. Now, the first thing I want you to do is pick up the weight that you're using, and what I want you to do is bring your elbows into your chest and clasp your hands around the dumbbell. So I've got that dumbbell close into my chest, my elbows are into my sides, and then from this position, I can now adopt a squat position. So my feet are just wider than hip width apart. What I'm now going to do is turn the feet out slightly, and then I can come back with my hips first, and then I can bend my knees, keeping my elbows into my body and keeping that dumbbell into the body as well. So you can see that from a side-on view. So hands grab the dumbbell at the top. From here, I've got my fingers around the dumbbell, feet just wider than hip width apart, toes pointed slightly out. And then from here, nice and upright, keeping that dumbbell into the chest. Hips come back, and I sit back into the squat. Now, for some of you watching this video, the depth that you go is going to directly depend on your hip mobility. So if you're a beginner to this, you might just want to do shallow squats, really focusing on bringing the bum back and sitting back into the squat. And for others, you're going to have the mobility to come a lot lower during the motion. That's how you do a dumbbell goblet squat, and you repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.